Hello, Assalamu alaikum, guys. How are you? I am Zishan Ali Khan. You are watching Digital Marketing Software Pakistan. Today is a very amazing day. I am here to show you. I am glad to show you. We are started now. Instagram Blaster Pro, the best, world best, amazing software that has multiple amazing feature that you ever never get such a feature with any other software. But today I am going to show you the Instagram Blaster has a very amazing feature, and I'm here to show you that this is Instagram Blaster Pro. This is new and latest version of Instagram Blaster Pro that has uh, multiple account. You can see here login account, and you can log in with the multiple account. You can connect your multiple account, and if you have any proxy IP, you will just copy and paste, and each proxy for the each account you can set the setting also. And here's the setting option. You can upload the proxy file also, and you can click here. You should use the tilt mode, or you check here, click on yes, right check here, and save the setting. And if you want to use proxy IPs, so you can click on this also. Okay, and if you want to if you want to work without opening the browser, you can click here also. And well, I already log in from this ID. I already connected my Instagram Blaster Pro with my this Instagram ID. This is the log option. Whatever activity you do in the software, it will show you here. The scrapping, messaging, and commenting and followers, all the activity will show here in the log option. Okay, so this is the message option. You can send bulk messaging with selecting your multiple account. As I am holding only one account in Instagram, so when you connect your multiple account, when you connect multiple accounts, it will show you all of your Instagram account here. You can select manually also. You can select with this button also, select all if you want to, as your wish, as your it's your choice. Okay, okay, so the next, rotate between accounts after two messages, means every account will rotate after two messages. Okay, and set the time delay from 10 to 20 seconds. It's by default here. You can increase it, and as my suggestion, I am giving you suggestion. You keep here the 20 second to 30 second would be good for each account rotation. Okay. And after sending 5 messages, go for sleep for 50 seconds. Okay, you can increase here. After sending 10 messages, go to sleep for 60 seconds. Okay, this would be okay. And you can upload the image if you have image. For example, I'm attaching the email and image uploading here. So I have a image, and I am uploading the image. For example, this image I connected, and after that you can type your message here. The message has a spin text formula option also. Like for example, I type here hi, and this hello, and greetings. Okay, and this is a spin text formula. This will rotate with every each messages. For example, this will go with the hello, and other message will go with the greetings, and other third message will go with the hi. This will rotate automatically, and after that you can tap your messages. uh, Promote your uh, business with the new Instagram Blaster Pro. Okay, and after that when you select all, then you set all the setting. Okay, I have to select actually some users that I will go to the directly to the inbox their Instagram. So first of all, I would like to scrape the follower from any profile or any page. So I go here on Instagram, for example. For example, the Qatar Living. This is the page actually, or profile you can say, and I will just copy this Instagram username from about URL, and after that I just paste here, and I will scrape their followers of this page in profile. As I show you that it's live scrapping. Sorry. So it will scrap their followers, and after that we can able to send their bulk messages individually to their inbox in Instagram. Okay. So we see here it's showing the logs, all the activity showing here. 24, 30 username selected. Okay, I'm just stopping it. So this is actually a very short video for the demo purpose. So I will create more videos for other features also. These are very easy, not much difficult. Okay, when you buy I will give the training also, no problem. But this is the first video of Instagram part 1, you can see. Okay, so we got some followers from this account or page Instagram. Okay, so now we will start the bulk messaging here. Okay, so as I connected just only one account, so it will not rotate. So as you have a multiple account of Instagram, so you can it will rotate. Okay, I just start sending. So you can see this will open the browser, and it will go to the profile, the username you scrap. So it will send the messages as if option is available in the profile, but option is not available, so it will not send. Understand? That's very common and common sense, that if user does not allow or set the restriction by the Instagram, so it will not do that. Okay, but the user are open, and there is an option to send the messages to them, so that will be more easy. So you can see here there are more options to send the message. So let's see, it's typing the message and sending the picture also. As you can see in the previous campaign was testing that to send some messages here. Okay, it will send the messages with the time delay and setting and rotation and all the things. Okay, same as it is, I have a Facebook bulk message center with a multiple account and proxy uploading system and WhatsApp warm-up system and many more features over there. I will put the link in the description for the Facebook Blaster, new Facebook Blaster Pro. Okay, you will not find the new Facebook Blaster Pro like this I have. Okay, the link is in description, you will check it. Okay, so as I said that you can send bulk messages with the different account and all the things. I show here live here in my browser Instagram. As upon it sends one message, and after the time delay it will send more messages. Okay, this user also have open account, public account, so and not set any restrictions, so it is enable their incoming messages, so the software is sending the message to them. Okay, this was the demo that I am stopping it to show you more something. Okay, okay, the bulk messaging system you see. Okay, now you also see how to scrap the followers. Okay, and same as if you want to scrap the following of any user to whom they are following, so you can just copy paste the username and get the following also, get the follower also. Now the post ID, what is post ID? I just clear all. Okay, and the post ID, or you can scrap the like and comment same as here. You will just paste here the post ID. How you will paste here the post ID? For example, I go to the Instagram, and for example this is the post. For example, this is the post, and after clicking you can see here there is a 452 likes. Okay, so you will scrape the likes of this post. If you want to scrap, just copy this, this, yes, copy about URL and paste here and scrape like. It will open the post and get the likes, and it will you can see here getting the scrape like, the same thing. Okay, you understand that it is getting the data, or you are getting the scrape like. So in the log you can see here you got 69 username collected from the likes option of this post. Okay, and after that you can target them sending the bulk messages. Okay, you can target the followers, you can target the post likes also if they are your competitor. Okay, just stopping it. Okay, and just closing the browser. Okay, and after that the same thing you done, the messages you will run again. If there is a user a message option, so it will send the message. If there is no option, so it will not send. Understand, I'm telling you again. If you like my product, my video, anything, like my video, comment and share to your friends and family, so they will also get the awareness that how you can get this amazing desktop software for the marketing. Okay, it has very good interesting features. Followers also, if you want to follow and make some connection on Instagram, so you can get this option also, and follow any account, so you can this option also. And there's option comment, like how many total comment you want to post. Okay, so I will create the video later for follower and comments. Okay, but at the moment I'm just showing you, this is the part 1. You see in the send message and all-in-one scrapper option. You will scrap the like, you will scrap the follower and send them bulk messages by targeting if they are your competitor. Okay, so it's sending the message. You can see here the same name, this is the name, Amir Tasser, physician and therapist, and this is the same name. You can see here it's a proof, live proof. Okay, so I'm just stopping it. This video will be long, so this was just demo to make you understand and show you how it work and look like. Okay, I'm just stopping it. Okay, subscribe my video, click subscribe subscribe my channel, and like my video, comment below. Okay, if you have any question, okay, I will give you the reply and response, everything. Okay, you can come to my WhatsApp also, check the description also, and check out the Facebook Blaster Pro, the new version of new Facebook Blaster. Okay, don't miss my YouTube channel, watch every single video and update. Okay, thank you very much.